Hey, it's Bitty Penny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very special. I'm doing a flip through of a journal that I made with the Pink Monarch Prints subscription kit. So this is a monthly kit. This is the May kit. And I'm only showing you just a very small percentage of the pages that come in the kit to give you an idea about it, but it's absolutely amazing. On the first of every month, you get a brand new kit. It's $8.99 a month, but I have a coupon code for you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. If you use Bitty, Bitty 3, you can get $3 off your first month's kit. Here's the other thing. You get the previous month's kit too. So you get two kits for $5.99. They're all like 40 pages, tons of images. I think they are perfect for beginning card makers and junk journalers, as well as anywhere in between to advanced. Regardless, they're just amazing. I have a very special journal to share with you guys. It's special for a couple of reasons, which I'm going to go over in the flip through. Now, there is one other discount code. You can use Bitty 30, Bitty 30, for 30% off past kits. There's two other kits. There's March and April. Okay, and you can get 30% off of those kits with that code. This is good until July 15th, so I will leave it all in the description box. I hope you'll use the code and check out this amazing subscription. Okay, so this is the front of the cover. I die cut all these pieces and kind of built this little scene. This journal is highly customized for the individual that I made it for, and she loves fairies and nature. She's very mystical minded, and but she's a writer, not a junk journaler, so I had to keep it simple, and I can't wait to show you guys how I made this junk journaler for someone who doesn't junk journal and is mostly just going to use it for writing. These pages here, I only added a couple of things. I stenciled on the back of white pages. I added tea-dyed papers, and I added some tea-dye printables, but everything else is all from this kit. Now, I did bring in a couple of other things like these fairy pictures and gnomes from other places, from another kit that I had, because I was customizing this, and I made these faux Polaroids. These are to represent the recipient's siblings, her and her siblings. So there were 5 of them, and I wanted to make a Polaroid for each one. I just think that's so fun and perfectly tucked in there. Then I've got this die cut fairy, and then lots of beautiful sentiments throughout the journal. And I just think that fairy looks like she's dancing through the daisies, and Daisy is the nickname of the person receiving this journal. So I think that's special. These circle tag, well, I turned mine into a tag, but those are in the kit, as long with envelopes, all this ephemera that I used. Now the words are from somewhere else, and on this page I used one of my 12 by 12 stamp sets from Iron Orchid Designs to stamp that bird on there. But all of these things that you see, this page here and this ephemera, this is all from that May kit. If you subscribe now in June, you get the May kit for free, plus the $3 off your June box, which is masculine. I'll come back and show y'all that one later. So I did add like the deer from another source, and I'll leave it all linked down below because I was customizing this. I wanted to leave it without too many flips, and I wanted it to be very flat and very welcoming to someone who wants to write page after page. But I also wanted her to have, you know, such a special handmade journal too, because if she wants just a notebook or she wants a plain journal, she can get that anywhere. But this is handmade, and I wanted to still give it that touch. So it has my tea-dyed paper. It does have a pocket here and a pocket there, or a belly band here or a belly band there, but it's got all of this space where she can write, and things are pretty flat. Look at these butterflies. These were a part of that May kit, and I had so much fun just kind of running them along the seam there or as a hinge. As I said, I did put in belly bands. This is from the kit. And then I used just this graph paper that I have, put some washi tape. I finished a whole roll of washi tape making this journal, which, yes, you can hear it in my voice. I'm always excited when I use things like that up. I love all of these sentiments so much. I will tell you that this is also a gift for a family member during grieving the loss of one of her siblings. And so this is unlike probably any other grief journal you would ever see, but it's just, that's the custom part. It is made fully for the person with all of their likes and personality in mind. This pocket came in the kit, and you guys, I really like that they add some instructions on the page. Like for this one, they kind of tell you how to make the pocket. And then I've always enjoyed Pink Marnock prints, like Simple Series, and some of that's in the kits, and there's just such a variety. What I loved about this kit, and all of them that I've seen so far, is that this one lent itself to anything. I turned mine into like a fairy kind of woodland feel, but this kit could easily go lots of different directions. So in that, I just put the stars in with that stamped image that I had stamped on the page. Was what I was showing you there, incorporating some of the details from the front of the journal into the inside. So again, just another circle tag where I added some crystals to the front of it. And then these tags came in the kit. So did this piece of ephemera here that I glued on the front of it. Just so simple. Again, lots of journaling space for her. And these pockets were a part of the kit. But yeah, I think that you could customize this in so many ways. I think you could use this kit and make it like more nature themed, more flower themed. It just is so soft and so well designed that, you know, you could customize the pages. It could be like a bird themed book. I could see you using, like, putting lots of peacocks in with this collection. I mean, it just lends itself to so much. And if you're just getting started, these kits, you wouldn't have to, you know, search long and hard for all the different things and buy a bunch of printables. You could start with these kits once a month and get something that is so versatile that you could use it over and over again. I do encourage you to definitely check out Pink Marnock Prints. Now, to get the discount code, to use the discount code, you do need to go to their website, which I will leave linked down below. That is the only way to subscribe to this kit. So if you're used to shopping with Pink Marnock Prints on Etsy, that's not the place for this. It's on their website where they're running the subscriptions. You can go on there and look at the past kits, use the Biddy 30 for those, or subscribe. I think it's fun to get a new kit every month on the first of the month. It's very affordable for me, and it's just exciting to see what will come. Also, for those of you who are just getting your feet wet and getting into this, there are so many videos on their YouTube channel, which I will also leave linked below, where they use the product all month long. So you get the kit on the first, and on the first there's a video and they show you the kit and they show you ways to use the kit. And then all month long there's supplemental videos that you can watch and see how they're putting some of these pieces together and projects that they're using. So there's so much value even beyond the product that you're getting, but you're also getting a lot of video instruction. I just think it's a win-win. Now this piece is from my boho butterfly from Ruby and Pearl, but it just went so well, I had to throw it in there. And I folded my graph paper lots of different ways. Like this one, I just folded it over. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Down this part, I believe these came from the April kit, these flowers, and I turned this pocket to where she could flip it and have like a butterfly on the front of the pocket or a flower. I love these so much. I had so much fun with playing with this. I have 6 cards coming out. Later this week, you'll see me make 6 cards with this kit, or it might be next week, but it's coming out, and I hope you enjoy this journal. I hope it gives you inspiration in case you have someone in your life that you want to kind of dip their toes into junk journaling, but give them something that they can definitely use and enjoy. I had a blast playing with this kit. I hope you'll use the discount code Biddy3 for $3 off, or Biddy30 for 30% off past kits. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Pink Monarch Prints, for the opportunity to do this. I really appreciate it. So thanks so much, you guys. I hope y'all all have a beautiful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.